Congratulations, this is your new phone. So now I'm going to get you to activate your new phone.
Okay.
So this is your new iPhone. Ultimately, let me just give you a little tour around your phone. This part right here is your power button as well as your sleep button.
Okay.
This right here is the port so that you can actually use your headphones.
Oh, cool.
This would be your volume up and volume down. And this is also your silent button. So if you're in a meeting or anything like that, that way you can be, it'll just be on vibrate, you won't be disturbed.
Okay.
At the bottom here is where your charging port as well as your speakers. And then this button right here is going to be your home button.
Okay.
So what I'm going to get you to do right now is start powering your phone on by pressing and holding this top button. Now it typically takes a minute or two for this to power on. It's a standard thing that happens with all of our smartphones. But, you know, just so you know in the future.
Okay.
So now that the phone is on, it'll automatically populate to the front home screen. Now what it's going to do is it is going to ask you to, if you want me to, in which language that you want, English is fine.
English is fine.
Okay.
Just hit next.
You can hit next. Now we have to go ahead and set up the Wi-Fi so that we can activate the phone, which is also called the unbricking portion. Let me go ahead and set that up for you with the passcode.
Alright.
So now, I know we did talk about that you do have Apple products and you do have an Apple ID. This portion right here is ultimately asking for your Apple ID and password.
Alright.
So that way you can get the full features of the phone, as well as you can transfer and back up all your information from your other Apple products onto your new iPhone.
Alright, and I just hit next, just keep going through
And
it.
just hit next. And you'll see that it'll take a minute for it to restore from all your information from your iPad that you currently have.
Okay.
And this will take a second, but just give it a second as it uploads. Now, also with doing this is that just in case if anything ever happens to your phone, you have to reset it. Or in the sad case that you do lose your phone, having this Apple ID and it backing everything up ultimately saves all your information so that way you can restore it onto your new phone once you get that.
Okay.
So now that it restored everything, you'll see that it will start downloading all your applications as well as your contacts and any pictures that you have saved on iCloud through your iPad.
Alright.
Now, everything typically takes a minute for it to load, but once it loads, it'll have all your preferences, all your applications, as well as contacts and any saved specific settings of that sort.
Okay.
As we go through this, we'll also be able to pair up your Bluetooth, as well as set up any other email addresses that you need of the sort. And we can go ahead and do that, you know, once this is done.